Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen again. I have already showed you my arrays of what I bought for this charcuterie board from different stores, and I'm going to use it. Out of those things from I bought from for my charcuterie board, I bought some things for my bread and cracker deli tray, and I bought some for my fruit trays. And now out of those, I'm going to do my deli cheese and cracker tray. So let's go. Here, this is my honey, my pickle, my olives, my orange jams, and my cheese. So let's start putting this together. You have to just I don't have a plan. I'm just going to go with my eyes and my heart and how it goes. Okay. So I am arranging my crackers, as you can see, as I'm doing as much as possible as I'm thinking. So I am arranging my crackers, as you can see, as I'm doing as much as possible as I'm thinking. And here is my honey ham, my roasted ham, salami, pepperoni, cheese, walnut, raisins, my grapes in different colors, craisins, pistachios, olives, walnuts, cheddar cheese, pomegranate, white cheese, raisins, almonds, pickles, grapes, honey, an assortment of crackers, my orange jam, cream cheese with thyme in it, is flavored cream cheese, my walnuts, my cheese crackers, white cheese, cream cheese with rosemary in it, tomatoes, and carrots for the fruits. So I basically have layered this an array of deli, fruits, crackers, cheese, and I hope I put a lot of work in it. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how I'm doing. I did this on my islet in my kitchen, and I hope you enjoy watching me do it. So we finally completed this deli cheese and cracker board, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, press the notification button so you can see every episode or any new thing I created. Thank you for being loyal. Thank you for watching this. And if you recreate this, please don't forget to tag me on my social media. Please subscribe. If I don't see you before Christmas, I want to say Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's to you. I pray for your family. I pray that God will keep you and you will enjoy your Christmas, and we'll be able to do this next year. Thank you for watching this episode. Yemizkitchen. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. I love you. God bless you. Mwah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.